Masala din.
Dulu itu morin memang di sini lah di Kota.
Itu roti canai. I'm going to show you what I got from the thrift store first. So I got the Jane Austen Pride and Prejudice book. It's still in a perfect condition. Like all the pages are intact. There's no like discoloration, so it's practically still new. I love the smell of books. I'm so glad to add this into my book collection. As you probably saw in the video, I've shown this tote bag. And yes, I bought it. I love the size. I think this is like 30 cm. It's still in a perfect condition. Like the stitchings are great. And the insides have no like stains or anything. And there's no peeling on this bag, unlike the other bags that they have at the thrift store. And I've worn this already, and I love how you can fit a lot of things in here, and I can fit the Pride and Prejudice book, so I can bring it with me anywhere I go. Okay, this is like what I'm actually excited to show from the Art Attic. First thing I actually got two of these. It's the Soap Co lip and cheek tint. I feel like it's around 20 ringgit, which again, it's a pretty cheap price for a lip balm, because I've had lip balms that cost me like almost 200 ringgit, and it just works the same as a 20 ringgit lip balm. So this is actually the newest release, and it's the Bugay Lip Wet with SPF 25 protection, long-lasting hydration with a lightweight, wet, and hydrating finish. Silver, which again is my favorite, and it's magnetic. This is the shade Mochi. It's not like an intense red. It's from Lawn and Gin as well. It's a linen dress. Okay, so they have the tag here, Lawn and Gin by Brenda. And I tried this at the store and I absolutely fell in love with it. I thought it was going to be a bit too long for me. If I'm not wearing heels, it does go past my ankles. The buttons here, you can actually unbutton this and you can turn the dress into like a v-neck dress, which again makes it very versatile. I love the stitching on this. They have lining inside as well, and at the back they have the zipper. I actually wanted something else, but I didn't read the name on the box properly, so I got this instead, but it's okay. This is the Little Craft Harbor scent candles, 100% natural soy and coconut wax. It smells so good. It's in the apple blossom scent. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I try to experiment at different video styles, and I'm trying to upload as often as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.